Hello, scholars. We're going to try another group activity for topic 3. Um, just kind of directions on this. You will find these problems in your textbook on page 78, the hardcover book, page 78, the performance task. As a reminder, everyone's working on the same slide deck here, so please be careful. Please type your name in the same box. Um, please be sure you're working together and focusing on the task and not each other. All right. So one thing when you come to this slide, you will already have your group number from another slide. All right. Hopefully we've got into Zoom or we tried breakout rooms again and things worked, or they didn't. Again, we're just trying it. So you come to this slide, the very next one, you'll find your group. And if you click on it, if you double click on it, it should have a slide under there that's linked to it. You could jump to that slide. So you want to make sure you're in group 2 and you're on group 2 slide, and the red number right here indicates that. All right. Um, again, these problems, this table can be found on page 78. It might be a little easier to have your book there with you so you could refer to it. As I mentioned, when you're working on the problems, please make sure when you're working on the problems, you look them over, make sure they're the same ones. And again, make sure you're in the right slide deck, right? I was on group 2 and I accidentally clicked group 1. So I want to make sure I'm in group 2. If I was working with the other teachers, I'm on problem 1. Type my name here. Mrs. Ortez's name was here. Go to the next slide or the next slide. I need my name and Mrs. Ortez's name in the same places. Just makes things a little easier to kind of review, as well as designate workspace for each of you. And your answers are typed in here. So whatever the answer is, it says which costs more, 38 sweatpants or 29 sweatshirts? How much more? So again, you would say the or blank cost more. They cost, you want to say a dollar amount more. All right. Okay. That's why I put an X there as a variable. But again, tell me what it cost, or tell me which one cost more, and then tell me how much more. All right. So again, you'll type your answers in there, and please make sure you help each other out. I hope that works out, scholars. Again, if we're having some troubles, then you're working on your own. But I appreciate your patience and good job.